best in the game. Invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain I inject.
The weather's changing off, so I'm just gonna do a quick cleanup. I'm pushing all the parts back and just cleaning up for the day. So more than likely, more than enough. We did a lot of work. We got a lot of stuff done. It's the next day. Right now we're just prepping everything. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get these pieces out, the FFC block off plates, because I had to remove the dash, and it's just a whole bunch of problems to get to. So what I'm going to do is try to tape off as best as possible, sand around those areas manually, and I think I could be able to get this one out and this, but these two, they're like behind the AC box, so I got to remove all of that to get to it. So I'm just gonna do my best to work around those, but majority of the areas are exposed, so I should be able to get to it. I may drop the subframe another day, but I just want to get most of the work done, or at least start on it. Woo! I think this one's a little too heavy. Let me go pay attention over here. Took care of it a little bit, starting over here, but I think I'm gonna have to end up doing that one by hand. When I say you can't catch a break, you can't catch a break. It's starting to rain. It's supposed to rain till like 3 hours from now, but it's starting to rain now. So I cleaned up most of these, took most of the high spots down, so I have to go back over here and clean up by hand. Right here, same thing. This area, I gotta clean everything up by hand. Add, scuff it up a little bit more, but the towers on this side seem decent, so still gotta do a little bit more sanding, but since it's raining I gotta shut up for the day. So it looked like I got some kind of good luck. The rain stopped, so I just took out the whole entire front end. Everything else is straight. I just gotta make here a little straighter. It's a little wavy. Fix those and then start painting. So the best part about it is all of this could be finished or addressed later, but I got this side looking fairly decent. Just starting on this, sanding down, and I'm just going through these hard spots, sanding them down by hand, and these area where it's exposed metal, I probably have to hit it with self-edging primer, and hopefully it comes out decent.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be, living in a time where disease is on every screen, I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering, negativity is a plague for the mentally weak, no mercy, all I got is working, never stop searching, never quite so thirsty, I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic, you can't stop it, it's been chronic, since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic,
built to last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving, got my foot on.
If I knew it was this, man, I would have bought the big camera. Long time.
Oh, yeah?
So earlier the sky was nice and clear, but it started look like it's gonna rain again. But most of the work is done. Everything looks good. So I'll give a better picture probably tomorrow. Right now I'm just trying to keep everything clean. I'm gonna clean up inside the car. I'm gonna clean up the garage, put all the parts back. So tomorrow when I come, I could just start cleaning the engine bay. So tomorrow when I come, I could start cleaning the engine and putting that together. But I think this color came out good. This is the next day. Everything looks dry and everything looks good. It's a little dusty because obviously it's outside. So I'm gonna take everything off and then wrap it up. But in the meantime, I'm over here trying to clean up the engine. So right now, I just scraped off and sand off, try to get most of the dirt off. I'm just blocking these off because I'm gonna paint from the valve cover to the engine, to the oil pan. And I just got a little bit more cleaning to do around these areas. And of course, I have to take the timing belt off because I want to put the cover back on underneath the cam gears. So I have to take all of this off. But first I have to find the cover. So I'm just gonna block this off so I can spray paint here. And this is what I'll be using. I've heard some good recommendation about this one, that it gives a nice little bright aluminum finish. So I'm gonna try it and hopefully it works out good. So let me get back to cleaning and then I'll show you how everything comes out. So we're gonna start right now. Hopefully it comes out good. Okay, so far it doesn't look too bad. It looks kind of OEM, but for some reason, looks like I got some kind of reaction here. But well, let it dry up. Let it dry for a little bit, and come back. I think maybe I went a little too wet, but I'll let it dry up and then come back. So far, this thing is a nice little paint job. Comes out nice and, I guess, aluminum looking. So far so good. So it's dried up. I'm gonna touch it up with a second coat, get into these areas, and then hopefully just paint the head and just have everything looking good. I don't really care about the transmission because I'm not using this one, but clean up here and then redo the timing belt side. Oops, block off the timing cover. Yeah, so this came out very good. Looks very OEM plus, and hopefully it stays like this, stay clean. But yeah, I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit longer, and then so we got everything looking decent. And the best part about this is we're just already here, so I just said screw it. We put on the H22. I'm gonna take this off, sand this down, paint this up, make this look a little better, and then put everything on, and then hopefully sometime next week just throw everything in the car. The only issue I'm having is this motor mount. This one right here, this is for the H22 setup, and this is for the Accord setup. So I either have to tap and drill the back housing or get a new mount for this one to put it into the car. So gotta think about that. So we're back in engine bay. Everything still looks good. So yeah, I think the paint job came out well. I'm gonna take out those tapes, and that's really it.